Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're learning about gelatin dessert and how to get a clear, perfect set every time. In this video, we'll explain how gelatin works, what makes it set properly, and the basic steps you need to follow. Let's get started. A gelatin dessert is a chilled, jiggly sweet made by mixing gelatin with liquid, then letting it set in the fridge. It can be as simple as flavored juice in a dish, or as fancy as layered molds with fruit and cream. People love it because it's easy, playful and usually cheap. It's also a true make-ahead dessert, which makes hosting feel calmer. Still, gelatin can be moody. Sometimes it won't set, sometimes it weeps liquid, and sometimes it turns rubbery. This guide keeps it simple. You'll learn what makes gelatin set, a method that prevents lumps, and a few flavor ideas that stay bright and clean. How gelatin dessert works, and what actually makes it set. Gelatin comes from collagen, a protein found in animal connective tissue. In dry form, it looks harmless, like beige granules or thin sheets. Add water and heat, and it changes behavior fast. Here's the plain English science. Gelatin dissolves in warm liquid, then as it cools it forms a loose web. That web traps water inside it. The result is a tender gel that holds its shape but still wiggles. Think of it like a fishing net in a swimming pool. The water stays put because the net is spread through the whole space. Temperature does most of the work. Warmth helps gelatin dissolve smoothly. Cold helps the protein strands link up again. That's why a gelatin dessert needs fridge time, not just cooling off on the counter. Sugar, dairy, and most juices play nicely with gelatin, as long as you respect the basics. What usually causes trouble is skipping the bloom step, overheating the mixture, or adding ingredients that break down the protein web. It also helps to know what gelatin is not. Agar-agar is a plant-based gelling agent made from seaweed. It sets more firmly and can set at warmer room temps. However, it behaves differently, so it's not a perfect one-to-one swap in every recipe. Clear glass dish with half-set pink gelatin dessert displaying jiggly textured surface trapping liquid droplets on a marble counter in realistic close-up photography. Gelatin powder versus sheets, and how to swap them. Powdered gelatin is popular in the US because it's easy to find and simple to measure. Sheet gelatin, also called leaf gelatin, is common in many restaurant kitchens because it can melt very cleanly. The catch is strength. Sheets can vary by bloom strength and size, and powders vary a bit by brand too. The most reliable swap is by weight. If a recipe calls for 7 grams of powdered gelatin, use 7 grams of sheet gelatin. Sheets also need a quick prep step. Soak them in cold water until soft, then lift them out and squeeze gently. After that, you melt them into warm, not boiling, liquid. That's it for part 1. Now you understand how gelatin works and what can affect the way it sets. In part 2, we'll go through the step-by-step method, texture tips, flavor ideas, and how to fix common problems. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.